storm warning for
What the hell?
southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County
What?
in northeastern Illinois, Kankakee County in northeastern
I
Illinois,
know.
northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m.
Hell.
At 5:31 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Minong, Illinois to near Rensselaer, in moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 65. Interstate 55 between mile markers 219 and 248. Interstate 57 between mile markers 302 and 337. Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 123. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 221 and 252. Locations impacted include Wheatfield, Cedar Lake, Limestone, Oglesby, Rose Lawn, Marseilles, Lamont, Channahon, Hopkins Park, Ottawa, Elwood, LaSalle, Kangley, Manteno, Rutland, St. John, Natley, Aroma Park, Dana, Parr, Godley, Manhattan, Malden, Peru, and Crete. This includes Valparaiso University, Buffalo Rock State Park, Channahon State Park, Gedhardwood State Park, Governor State University, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park.
Holy shit.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZ